capillary tube. Capillary tube is nothing but a copper tube of very small diameter, internal diameter of appropriate length. They are coming in the specification, and the specification is given on the basis of internal diameter. Suppose in refrigerators we are using capillary of 35 numbers. In water cooler we are using capillary of 45 number. In air conditioning system we are using capillary of 65 number. So the number is given on the basis of internal diameter of this capillary tube. This is expansion device, simplest expansion device. In bigger system, thermostatic expansion valves are used to expand the refrigerant. So the length of capillary tube is cut based on the design parameters. In refrigerators, the length of capillary tube is about 5 meters depending upon the diameter, while in case of air conditioner the capillary tube of about 18-inch is used. As you can see the connectors, this capillary tube is connected with the air conditioners, and another capillary tube that we have made in the lab to connect with the other cooling system. Refrigeration and air conditioning system are the closed system, so they need leak proof circuit. There must not be any leakage in the system, and we need to make different type of connections to take refrigeration effect from one place to another. For that we need special type of connectors. They are normally made of brass or in some cases stainless steel to avoid any rusting or any other problem. So the connectors are coming in different shape. So this is a gauge connector, T connector. One pipe comes from here, another goes here, then third here, like the T connect and the cross. And if these connectors are not available, then we need to make them from the pipes itself. So a pipe is bent in U shape. The reducer, larger diameter pipe can be changed into smaller diameter tube. Like this, we have brazed a larger diameter copper tube with a smaller diameter tube and connected both ends with the appropriate connector. And this type of shape, cup type of shape, is to be made, and this is known as flaring. The seat gets seated at the appropriate position of the connector which was made in the accessories, like that. So this seat and this of course this is different in size, but for understanding we can see this gets blocked here, and then we are tightening it by this special nut which is called as flaring nut. So these are the connections. Likewise there are many other connectors. We want to connect a L shape, then this type of connectors are available. Thank you.